what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Kia Soul can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. First, we're going to prep our underbody of our vehicle. We're going to start by lowering our exhaust. It's held in by two rubber hangers, one in the rear right here, and one a little towards the front. So we're gonna spray them with soapy water first, and then we'll remove them using our exhaust removal pliers. Now on the passenger side, we're gonna remove the wheel well liner. It's held by 3 push pins. There's one here at the bottom, and there's 2 at the top of the inside of the wheel well. And then there's 3 screws right here on the side. Now there's not a lot of room in there, so to remove those, you can use a small Phillips screwdriver, or you can use a Phillips bit. And once it's loose enough, we'll just pull it out. Now with all of our fasteners out, we're gonna go ahead and remove our wheel well liner. And then we'll go ahead and repeat the exact same process on the driver's side. Now on the passenger side, we're gonna remove this tow hook. There's 2 bolts on the side and 2 bolts underneath the frame. We're gonna remove those using a 14mm socket. And we will not be reinstalling this. All right, now we're ready to bring our hitch into place, but before we do that, let's go ahead and point out our attachment holes. We'll be using the 2 holes on the side of the frame that we're holding our tow loop into place, and those holes are identical on the driver's side. So now we're ready to bring our hitch into position. We're gonna be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra pair of hands, since this is a little heavy. Now with our hitch lined up, we're gonna bring our hardware into place. We're gonna take our provided bolt and conical tooth washer and fasten it up, making sure that the teeth on the conical washer are facing the hitch. Now that we have all of our hardware into place, let's go ahead and tighten and torque all of our bolts following the manufacturer's specification. We'll be using a 17mm socket to tighten all those down. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. All right, now with our hitch in place, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our exhaust. Now we're gonna reinstall our wheel well liners on both sides. With our hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is an 1.25" receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 5 inches. And from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 9.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more information on this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.